Many people may not ever think about their wisdom teeth, the molars found in the back of our mouths, until it's too late and surgery is needed to correct crowding or damage to adjacent teeth, the jawbone, or nerves. Each person usually has 4 wisdom teeth. These teeth should be evaluated by the dentist or an oral surgeon at 16 to 18 years of age. If wisdom teeth are poorly positioned or impacted, they can cause many problems. Badly positioned wisdom teeth may move other teeth and disrupt the orthodontic or natural alignment of teeth. Removal of the offending impacted teeth as early as possible usually resolves these problems and decreases the risk of surgery. An oral surgeon has the ability to painlessly remove wisdom teeth under general anesthesia. Don't wait until there's a problem. Have your wisdom teeth checked today by a dentist or an oral surgeon.